Beauty Killer 2, is it worth your money? New from Jeffree Star, Beauty Killer 2. 10 large pens, beautiful bright colors. But are they duplicates? Is it really worth your money? I'm going to let you know today what I think. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On this channel, you'll find all about makeup, skincare, fashion, anything that makes you feel more fabulous at any age. So if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. So this came in the mail yesterday, Beauty Killer 2 from Jeffree Star. And I only ordered 2 pieces. First, I ordered the beautiful Beauty Killer 2 palette. See the nice packaging? Here is the palette, and next to it is Beauty Killer 1. So I'm going to let you know what the differences are, and if I really think this palette is worth your money. The second item I bought is this Beauty Killer mirror. I'm not going to even open this right now because I want to kind of surprise my daughter with this one. It's going to be a present for her. But let's look at this palette. Colors are so beautiful. And if you compare to Beauty Killer 1, you'll see that none of them are exactly identical. I'll hold them right like this. Both have a pink, but the pinks are very different shades. You know, both have nudes, the nudes, very different shades. While both tell a bold color story, they do it with entirely different colors. Okay, well, here are the colors. Just how unique are these? Do we find a lot of them in any of the other Jeffree Star palettes? Well, I decided to look and compare. The only palettes that I don't have are Androgyny and Alien. So, of all the palettes I have, are there any duplicate shades here? Let me see. Let's start with the pink because Jeffree has so many pink shades. It's not at all like the one in Beauty Killer 1, but what about in Pink Religion? Okay, so here's Pink Religion. The color I felt like was the closest. It's a little bit lighter than this one called Prom Night and a little bit pinker than Sugar Savior. So there's none of them, you see, none of them are really the same. This is I thought every pink possible, but nope, here's an extra one. Another pink I thought might be pretty close was this pink in Conspiracy. Okay, this is the one called Pigment in Conspiracy, and this is the pink in Beauty Killer 2. Again, they're close, but not identical. This one has a little pinkier pink. And while we're at it, Conspiracy, the closest shade I thought to this Self-Expression Neon was the food videos in Conspiracy. But again, this one is a little bit greener, that one's a little bit yellower, so they're not exactly the same. Well, the sort of nude brown tone colors in here, Respect and Under Oath. Surely there's got to be something in Orgy similar to those. Well, not really. Here is the Orgy palette. The closest one I found to Respect was probably maybe Voyeurism, but as you can see, they're not exactly identical. Under Oath is probably the closest to Cunnilingus, but again, not exactly identical. I did not see anything similar to the purples. I have the whole purple palette, but nothing quite similar to these colors. This Redemption is a dark blue. Nothing exactly like that either. Soul Sucker. Well, Jeffree has sparkly blacks in a lot of his palettes. This one seemed to have a little more blue sparkles than any of the others. Okay, now let's compare it to Jawbreaker. Jawbreaker has so many bold colors. Any duplicates? No. While Blow Up Doll is somewhat similar to Bubblegum, you can tell they're not the same shade. And this one has some purples, not at all like these purples. The Dark Blue Delicious is maybe the closest match to Redemption, but they're not the same. The same with the nudes, the browns. Nothing is an exact match. Now, let's check Cremated. Well, Cremated, okay, Soul Sucker and Angel of Death, they're probably two of the closest similarities, but they're not the same. This has a few more like blue type sparkles in it, so it doesn't quite match. Another palette I thought I might have had some similarities in is Blood Money. Okay, Blood Money has this color called Chameleon Fetish, which as you can see is not quite as neon as Self-Expression. And there's nothing quite like Rebirth or Guillotine Dream in here. Just no exact matches. Now, Under Oath is that a little bit similar to Private Island. Similar, but not an exact match. All right, I'm going to check the other blood palettes too, just to make sure. I'm really glad I bought Beauty Killer 2. Not only are all of these shades unique, some are extremely unique, others are similar but not exactly the same. Look at the size of the pans in this. This is going to last forever. The formulas are wonderful. The pigments are very strong. You actually are really getting these colors. You can do a light dusting if you want, but you can go in full shade as well. I'm so glad I bought this. The price has not gone up since Beauty Killer 1 was released in 2016. Goodbye. Cute packaging. Another great palette from Jeffree. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, could you please give us a thumbs up? Also, I'd love to hear from you. Have you bought this palette, or what's your favorite palette from Jeffree Star? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.